Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. The aim of life is to go back to home, back to Godhead. That is the aim of life. We are fallen in this material condition of life. You are suffering, but you do not know. We are so full, just like animals. We do not know what is the aim of life. Aim of life, that is also described in the Bhagavad Gita, Jarma Mittu Jara Vyadhi Dukkha Doshanudarshanam. When we can understand that this process of repetition of birth, death, old age and disease, this is not wanted by me. Nobody wants to die, but the death is forced upon him. He does not think that this is my problem. I do not want to die, but death is as sure as anything. So this is the problem. Nobody is careful how to solve this problem. They are simply engaged in the, temporary problems. The temporary problems are not problems. Real problem is how to stop death, how to stop birth, how to stop old age, and how to stop disease. That is real. That can be done when you are liberated from this material world. This is our problem. So, Krishna comes here again. Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bharata. Dharmasya glani. Glani means when it is distorted. So people are manufacturing in the name of so-called religion. This is our religion, this is Hindu religion, this is Muslim religion, this is Christian religion, this is Buddha religion, and this is Sikh religion, this is that religion, that religion. They have manufactured so many religions. So many religions. But real religion is Dharmantu Sakshat Bhagavat Pranitam. Religion means the codes and the laws given by the Lord, given by God. That is religion. Simple definition of religion is Dharmantu Sakshat Bhagavat Pranitam. Just like law is given by the state, by the government. You cannot manufacture law. I repeatedly say. Law is made by the government. Similarly, religion is made by God. If you accept God's religion, then that is religion. And what is God's religion? If you stand, you come stand here, other people are saying. God's religion is, you'll find in the Bhagavad Gita, Sarva dharman parittajya mamekam saranam vraja. This is God's religion. You give up all this nonsense religion. You become a devotee, a surrendered soul unto me. That is religion. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna